afternoon children. Hope you are all good with the online class now children. Yes, and understanding the concepts and doing the homework also. Yes children, very good children. Please attend the online class and complete the day-to-day activities. Okay? Yes, and follow up the concept children. Very good children. Now before starting our session, let us start with our school prayer. Yes? All of you get up children. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Start the prayer. Little Ellie, little Ellie, he's my school. Oh, I love it, how I love it, and you love it, you. I can play, I can sing, I can read and write, you. I can draw, I can dance, and have fun too. It's my best friend, a pink elephant. I am proud to be a little Ellie, little Ellie is the best school. Yes, very good children. Hands down. Open your eyes. Yes. Now let us recap yesterday class. Yesterday what we have learned children yesterday? Yes. Can you tell anyone? Yes. Yesterday we have identified the letter B. Yes. Yesterday we have identified the letter B. Next, we have revised the shape. Which shape yesterday we have revised? Circle shape. Yes, children. Very good. Next, after that, and I told one story for you now. Which is that story? A dark secret about the wide-eyed and his friend. And I also told to watch it. Watch the story in the Ellie app with your mama. No? Please watch. Okay, children? Yes. Now, let us start today's session, children. Let us learn new concept with today's session. Yes? Very good, children. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Today, I am going to review the letter B. Once again, I am going to review the letter B, children. Yes, children? Today, I am going to review the letter B. Yes. As you know, which letter is this, children? This is a big letter B. This is small letter b. Big letter B is also known as uppercase. Small letter b is also known as lowercase. Big letter B, small letter b. Big letter B, small letter b. I think you have done this homework yesterday. I have told to recognize the big letter B and small letter b and color the balloon. Yes, you have done no. Very good children. You have to identify the big letter B and small letter b and do the coloring. For yesterday homework again. Yes, very good children. So today I am again revising this letter B for you. Which letter is this? Big letter B, small letter b. Big letter B, small letter b. B for ball. B for ball. What is the phonic sound of B letter? B says B. B says B. B. Ball. Okay. Next we have put some pictures about the B letter. Now once again you see and tell together with me children. Yes. B for, this is a B letter. B for balloon. B, balloon. B for bed. Where you sleep? On bed. Yes. B for B, bed. B for B, butterfly. B for B, boat. B for B, bat. B for B, ball. B for B, brinjal. B for B, basket. Yes, once again tell with me. B for bat. B for basket. B for brinjal. B for ball. B for bat. B for boat. B for butterfly. Yes, these are the B letter word pictures children I have put. Now with the phonic books. Whenever I will teach you, you should take the phonic books and recognize the picture and tell together children. Yes, so what? B letter. Yes, this is the B letter, small letter B. B says B. Once again tell with me. B say B. B, bear. B, bear. B, ball. B, ball. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. B, bell. B, bell. B, bicycle. B, bicycle. B, boat. B, boat. B for bear. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for bell. B for bicycle. B for boat. Now this is the phonic book. When I am teaching the letters, you have to open ready with this book, children. Discover phonic books. After recognizing the picture, you have to tell again with the phonic books with the sound, children. Okay? Once again you repeat with me. B for bear, bear. B for ball, ball. B for butterfly. B for bell. B for bicycle. B for boat, boat. Yes. Now you are able to recognize this picture. Which are the picture? Other than that, you can tell the B letter. Which you know. B for biscuit. Yes. B for biscuit will come. B for bottle. B for bread. B for butter. So many things will come, children. Like that you can recognize and tell to your mother. Okay. When your mama will ask, no, you should see the picture and tell the B letter to her. Yes. So once again I will tell you. B for bear. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for bell. B for bicycle. B for boat. B says ba. What? B says ba. B says ba. This is big letter B. This is small letter B. B for ball. B says ba. Phonic sound of B letter ba. Very good, children. Now I will show you how to trace the B letter with the clay. Okay? Yes. You can take dough, chapati dough or anything. I have a clay here. So I have a trace how to trace the I will show how to trace the B letter using this clay, children. Yes. Take a small amount and do a first straight line. Yes. That is standing line. Then you have to make a curve. So do it. So you want to take mama's help and do, children, this one. It will be easy to identify the B letter. Yes, one small curve. And again you have to join another. Yes. So you can also do, children. Trace the B letter with the clay. One curve. First you have to write the what? Standing line. And one curve line. Again another one curve line. Okay? Can you identify the B letter? Yes. Standing line, curve line and curve line. Yes, I will show you same thing on the board. Letter B, how to trace the letter B. So they have given in the writing readiness book dotted line. You have to trace, children, like this. First you have to trace standing line, standing line, standing line, one curve line, then another half curve line. You join, you will get the B letter. Yes, standing line, curve line makes the B letter. This is the big letter B. You have to trace same thing in the book. That is writing readiness book. Today's homework, you have to trace this, children. Open page number 23 and 24. Today I will give both the pages. Yes. Tomorrow is holiday, no? Weekend. Today weekend, no? Friday is weekend, no, for you. So Saturday and Sunday will be holiday. So I am giving two pages for you two children to write. Trace the B letter. See, children. Here you have to trace with a pencil or a crayon. See. Here they have given the mark 1. Number 1 they have given. And here number 2 and number 3 they have given. See the arrow mark and trace, children. First you have to trace the number 1. Then come to number 2. Then come to number 3. So first you have to write standing line, curve line and another curve line. Makes a big letter. Standing line, curve line and another curve line. Makes the the B letter. Very good children. Today homework, writing readiness book. You have to trace the B letter. B letter you have to trace with your mama self. 23 and 24 children. Yes, very good. So same thing I will show you on the this tray. As I have shown for the pattern, same thing. So first you hold this index finger. First trace the straight line. Standing line. Straight line means standing line. Then take half curve and another half curve. Makes a B letter. See children, it is very easy. Standing line, curve line. Makes a B letter. So you have to trace in this. It will be easy for you. Okay? Yes, my children will do the work which I will give now. Yes? Very good children. Now you are able to understand the B letter now? Yes? What are the things will come for B letter? B for balloon, B for bat, B for butterfly, B for boat, B for bat, B for ball, B for brinjal, B for basket. This is the review of B letter. So I am revising you. You can trace this B letter using the clay or a dog. Yes? With your mama's help. Yes, children. And B phonic word. What is the phonic word of B letter? Ba. Very good children. We will move to the next concept, that is a number. Number 5. Okay, we will go for next concept, that is number 5 identification. As we have learned the number 5 yesterday introduction, no? I gave the introduction of number 5. Today I am going to identify the number for you once again. Okay children? Yes? Very good. Okay, first we will take off this one and I will show one new activity for you today on number 5. Okay? Number 5. Yes. How you will write the number 5? Sleeping line, one standing line and curve line. Makes number 5. Sleeping line, standing line and another one curve line. Makes a number 5. Okay, now I will show you in the flashcard. Yes, what is this children? This is number 5. Sleeping line, standing line and curve line. So here how many dots are there for number 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 and 4, 5. Yes, come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 for 5 dots. 5 for 5 fingers. So now you count on my fingers. Can you count? You also count with your fingers. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and tell to your mama how many fingers you have on right hand. Yes, children, once again you count. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for 5 fingers. 5 for 5 fingers on my right hand. So 5 for 5 dots. What is this number? This is number 5. What is this number, children? This is number 5. Now count with me once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are there. So like this you can count with the things, small things. Yes. Now I'll show how to count number 5 using the few objects. Yes. What is this, children? This is ring. Now I'll show how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many rings I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rings I have. Okay. Next is you all like the chocolates, no? Yes, see children. How many chocolates I have? You like to eat? Okay. I'll give once you come back. I'll give for you. Okay. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4 this? This is number 5. So what you should do now? Take a plain sheet. Take a plain sheet. Tell your mama to write number 5 on the paper. Yes, it is very easy. Take a plain sheet or a A4 sheet size. So tell your mama to write a 5 number on the paper. You can use button or a sticker to stick. Okay, to trace the number 5. You can use the button or a kundan stone. Here I am using a kundan stone to trace the number 5. So you can use a sticker, buttons and kundan stone, anything which you can trace easily number 5. See, you have to trace the number 5 like. I am using the kundan stone to trace the number 5. Yes children, it is very simple activity. You can take mama's help and do. Okay, I think you will do now. Yes, it's very easy. You please tell your mama to write 5 number on the paper by A4 sheet and give kundan stone or button. Tell her to give for you. You should arrange the on the 5 number. You have to trace the buttons or a kundan like this. You have to trace like this. You will get. See children, it's very easy no? Yes. Something different no? Yes, you should do children. Okay, it will be easy to recognize the number 5. Now what number is this children? This is number 5. How you will trace the number 5? How you will trace? First, you have to trace sleeping line, then standing line, then curved line. Makes number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, then curved line. Yes, makes number 5. Now you are able to count the number 5 no? Using the objects and finger also is easy to count. So this is a simple activity. You can take your mama's help and do. Trace the number 5 children. Okay. Now I will show you same thing on the board. Yes. How to trace the number 5. See, first is sleeping line. This is sleeping line. This is sleeping line. You have to start from right to left. Then again standing line. Up to down. Up to down. Then again curved line. Makes number 5. Okay. First sleeping line. First sleeping line. Trace the sleeping line properly. Sleeping line. Then standing line. And again join the half curve. You will get the 5 number. Once again I will tell you. Sleeping line. Standing line. And another one half curve. Makes the number 5. So today's homework you have to. Yes children. Today's number you have to trace the page number 83. Open Mathematics Readiness book. I think you are all aware of books now. Yes, this is the Mathematics Readiness book. Page number 83. 83. You have to trace the number 5. Okay. See here. They have given the arrow mark. See the arrow mark and write. First you have to trace the standing line. Then curved line and sleeping line. You can write any type. Here in the book they have given like this. So first they have written here little slant line, curved line and sleeping line. So it is also correct, it is also correct. So which you can follow, you can follow. So first you trace like this. First little slant line and one curved line and again sleeping line. For you it is easy, I think you can follow this one. Okay children? Yes, very good. Which is comfortable, you can follow children. Okay, now we will go for next concept. Yes? Yes. Okay, now today I am going to revise another one concept which is you already done. Yes? Which is that children? We have revised. revise you the circle shape. Okay, once again children. Review. Again revising for you circle shape. Circle shape children for you and revising once again for you. Yes children? Are you aware of circle now? Yes? Yes. Can you tell some circle objects in your house? Which are in circle shape? Yes, that is clock. Very good. Bangle, ring, plate, bowl. Yes, very good. And today I will show you some objects which are in circle shape. Yes, this is a ring. It is in circle shape. Circle is in which shape children? Circle is in which shape? It's a round shape. Circle is in which shape? Round shape. Yes. Okay. This is circle shape. Circle is in round shape. Circle is in round shape. Circle is in round shape. Next. Yes. Do you like this biscuit? Yes. I also like to eat children. Biscuit is in which shape? It is a circle shape. See? Circle shape and it is a round shape. And another one biscuit. Yes. One big biscuit, one small biscuit. Both are in circle shape. I think you like to eat biscuits and chocolate more, no? Yes. Now you can identify the biscuit which are in circle shape and tell to your mama. Okay. So many biscuits will come. That is Good Day biscuit, Sunfish biscuit, Marigold biscuit, Oreo biscuit. That all will come in a circle shape and it is in round shape. It has no ends and sides. Circle has no sides and ends. Okay children, we'll do some small activity on this. Yes? Okay, now we'll sing one rain from circle song. Okay, first we'll sing. I am circle, I am circle, la la la, la la la. I am circle, round and round, round and round. Bangle circle, bangle is circle, bangle is circle. Biscuit is circle, biscuit is circle. Ring is circle, ring is circle. La la la, la la la. Button is circle, button is circle. La la la. I am circle, round and round, round and round. Okay, very good children. We'll do some activity, something different. Okay? Yes. Now for this activity, what you should do? Take a white paper or a A4 sheet paper. Take your mama's help. Yes, children. Please take your mama's help and do this one, children. It is very easy and you will enjoy. Okay. Now I have taken the A4 sheet. What you should do? Take some paint. Okay. Which color you like to take some paint? So here I have taken the glass here. See children, can you identify the glass? Outside it is in circle shape. And this is one paper cup. This is a paper cup glass and this is paper cup. Yes, both are, see this outside, it is in circle shape and it is in round shape. See, this is also circle shape and it is in round shape. So here what I will do now, I will take a print. So just, yes, see, dip a cup into the paint. You have to dip it into the paint. So you get, so take a print on the paper. What shape you got here? Here you got a circle shape. Very good. And I have taken another one, that is a glass. This is cup shape I have taken. First one I have taken the paper cup, small one. Now second one I will take a glass. This is also, you should take the print. See children, did you get the print? Circle shape? Yes. What you should do now? After doing, it is very easy now. This is in circle shape. Can you find out the shape here? which shape you will get after taking printing? Yes, it is a circle shape, children. Yes. Now using this bindi, we'll stick some bindis in which shape? Mama will keep no here. So that is also circle shape. So you can use that simple thing and stick, children, inside the. Yes, you can stick like this. Okay. It will be very easy for you. Stick. Few stickers like this. It will be, you can able to identify the circle shape. See, children, can you see? Bindis are in shape, circle shape. Okay. If you stick like this, you will get a circle shape. But you should take your mama's help, children. Take your mama's help. Yeah, see, you will get a circle shape. You can use like this simple thing. You can do anything. Okay. I used your sticker. You can, if you have buttons or kundam stone, you can use it. But it is easy. Bindi only you take and do, children. Okay. Very good, children. We'll go for next concept. Yes, that is team time. Okay, children, we'll go for next. That is team time. Again, we are revising this one, being kind. In this, we'll know about the good and bad behavior. This is a review class for you. Once again, I am repeating daily this one. Don't get bored, children. Yes, today, once again, I am reviewing the theme time, that is being kind. Yes, you should know the good and bad behaviors, no, children. Here I will show you some good habits. Okay, you see by the picture I tell. So, you should always get up early in the morning. After get up early in the morning, which are the good habits? First, you should get up early in the morning, brush your teeth, take a bath, then wear a clean dress, and you have to have a breakfast. You should chew, children. Yes, chew andre agibeku, chennagi agdu tinbeku, anninge numbadu. You should chew it properly. First, get up early, brush your teeth, take a bath, wear a clean dress, and have a breakfast. You should, while having the breakfast, you should chew it. Yes, very good. After chewing, after eating the food, breakfast, what you will do? Next habit is you should wash your hands before and after. Both you should, children. Both you should do, children. While eating, you should, before eating or after eating, you should wash your hands neatly with the soap. Yes. After that, what you will do? You will wear a school uniform, and you should come to school regularly, and you should not come late. You should not come too late for the school. You should come early. Yes. Do not throw rubbish on the ground always. You should not throw the paper here and there at home, or toys. Toys na maneli togondu alli eseyodu, paper na eseyodu atarella ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. It is a bad habit. You should not throw. Paper should always, you should put in the dustbin, children. Very good, children. Always cover your nose. Yes, children. Always cover your nose or a mouth while sneezing or what? Akshi bandaga, seendaga you ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You should cover your nose and mouth. Okay, see, she's covering. Always cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. Okay, very good, children. Never fight with your friends. Okay. Yes, it is a bad habit. You should not fight with your friends or your brother or a sister. Maneli akka tamma atwa friends hatra ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. You should not fight with them. Okay? Help your parents with household work. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸನ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತಗಾಗಲಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Help your parents. Yes? Always show love and respect to elders. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Yes. good night to everyone and go to sleep early. ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಗ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. These are some good habits. Okay children, I think you will follow. You should not follow the bad habits. You should not follow the bad habits, no children. Never fight, never tell lies, never tease others. Okay, always be good children. Okay children, so I am revising once again for you this one, that is being kind. Hope you will all follow the good habits, no children? Yes, very good children. Okay, now once again I will revise my homework on the board. Yes, that is I will write on the board. Please note. Yes, today's homework. WR book means writing readiness book. You have to trace the letter B, page 23 and 24. You have to trace. Okay, MR book. MR book means mathematics readiness book. Trace number 5, page 83. Okay. See children, today's homework once again I am telling. Writing readiness book, trace the letter B. B letter you have to trace 23 and 24. Okay children? MR book means mathematics readiness book. You have to trace number 5, page 83. So I have given 3 homeworks. You have a Saturday, Sunday holiday. Please complete children. Don't delay. Please complete day-to-day activities and homework children. Yes? Okay children? Yes? Bye. Happy weekend.